Hey, what's up? And thank you so much for downloading my free government contracts qualifications checklist. Now, this is the number one cheat sheet that you're going to be so excited to have in your hands, and it's on its way to your email right now. So, if you gave a really good email, go ahead and check your email. That checklist should be right there momentarily. If not, go ahead and re-register for your free checklist and make sure you leave a really good email. Now, I'm Corwana D, and I'm the founder of the $1 Trillion Government Contracts Accelerator Program. I teach women and minority small business owners how to get consistent, sustainable income by doing business with the government. Now, you can land multiple six-figure, five-figure contracts with the government agencies simultaneously. There is no limit, and trust me, if you are a small business owner, this is definitely something that you do not want to sleep on. So, this checklist is going to tell you everything that you need to have in order to do business with the government. So, this is the step. This is the first step, you guys, of what do you need to qualify in order to do business with the government in the first place. And it's very simple items. These are items that are really going to help you turn your business into leverage to grow a multi-million dollar business eventually. So this is the first step, and if you would like for me to personally hop on the phone with you to go over a blueprint that tells you exactly how much the government spends on your particular service, your particular business, and how to audit your business, I'm happy to hop on a qualifications strategy call to help you completely draw out and develop a blueprint that is going to be for your next step in this phase. So go ahead and click on the link below if you would like my help with getting to those next steps. So this is going to be very important. If you have these documents already and you're ready to move the next steps, then go ahead and click on the button below to schedule a call with me. This is going to be an amazing strategy session where I help you complete a complete blueprint for your next steps with doing business with the government. So thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to working with you.